Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add quick filters to your dashboard in Tableau. This feature is incredibly powerful because it allows you and your viewers to interact with data visualizations dynamically, filtering information on the fly without needing to recreate reports. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to the Tableau homepage by typing tableau.com into the address bar. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign in if you have an account, or alternatively, you can open Tableau Public or Tableau Desktop if you prefer working with the desktop application. Either option works perfectly fine for this tutorial. Now that you're signed in, it's time to create or open a workbook where you'll build your dashboard. Click on Explore, then look for the New button. When you click it, a drop-down selection will appear. From there, select Workbook. This creates a fresh workspace where you can start building your visualizations. Next, you'll need to connect to your data source. On the Start page, you'll see a Connect section. Here, you can choose from various data sources like Excel, text file, or even databases. For this example, click on Files and then Upload from Computer. Select the dataset you wish to use in Tableau, then click Open. Once your file uploads successfully, click on Publish Now. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your workbook, so type in something descriptive and then click Publish. This step might take a moment depending on your file size, so just be patient while Tableau processes everything. Now let's create a simple visualization to work with. For our dataset representation, we'll use product name and unit price. Drag these fields to the column section, then drag quantity sold to the rows section. To make this easier to read, adjust the data type to bar. This gives you a nice visual representation of your data that's perfect for demonstrating filters. Here's where the magic starts. Let's add the filters that will eventually become our quick filters on the dashboard. Drag product name onto the filters section. Once you do that, click the drop-down arrow next to it and look for the Apply to Worksheets option. From there, select all using this data source. This is crucial because it ensures your filter will work across your entire dashboard, not just on a single worksheet. Now it's time to create the actual dashboard. Look for the New Dashboard button on the bottom part of your screen and click on it to activate the dashboard view. You'll see a blank dashboard canvas appear. Drag the visualization we just created onto this blank canvas. You'll see the same report appear, but now we're going to add those interactive quick filters that make dashboards so powerful. Hover your cursor over the report you just placed on the dashboard and look for the drop-down arrow that appears. From this menu, look for the Filters option and select Product Name. Almost instantly, you'll see a quick filter sidebar appear on your dashboard. This is the interactive element your viewers will use. Click on any product name in this sidebar to enable or disable it from the report. You'll notice the visualization updates in real time, showing only the data for the products you've selected. This gives you complete control over what information is displayed, making it easy to focus on specific products or compare different items side by side. And that's it. You've successfully added quick filters to your Tableau dashboard, giving yourself and your viewers the ability to interact with data dynamically and gain insights much more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.